Abigail. Abigail, let's go. You guys don't want to eat?
I'm going to bathroom. So I was talking to my friend about the chemical shows way too, and I was gonna ask her if we can bring the documents, and she was like, yeah. Because I was confused. Because they said when you submit the registration, it was like do it required for day one.
Complete these documents, email to blah blah at gmail.com, or bring it to the camp or day one. No. Last time was so fast. Wow, it's not warm. Make it smell. Find it. Yeah, shut my camera.
Give me more tomatoes. Let me have one. This one is too small.
They go for more.
Look. Ege uwa mano yegbe kosalupa. Ede owa mano yegbe kosalukwa. Omano yegbe ki Jesu me. Ede owa mano yegbe kosalukwa. Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. How are you guys doing today? I hope you all are doing good. If you are new to my channel, you are welcome to Share with Love TV. Guys, you're pushing my leg. How do you guys stop it?
Hello.
Oh, okay, today's another day, and today, guess what, guys? The kids, they are in holiday. Okay, no school today. As you see earlier, I made breakfast, and we ate breakfast. This one was missing in the clip. Maybe she was in the bathroom when me and Alessia was eating, and she just finished eating her own. Okay, guys, now it's another new day. Let's begin our vlog. What are you doing? I'm about to cook a stew. Okay, I just I'm pre-boiling my tomatoes. Okay, right there. You can see that pot over there. This one right there. That one, the biggest pot. That is tomatoes. I just blended it and it's boiling. Okay. Then over there, the small pot, I have cow feet that I am boiling also, so that I will add it to the stew. Okay. And I brought out my meat that I will be using. I brought it out so that it will defrost before I use it, before I start. This is the meat I will be using. Okay, I have goat meat, turkey, turkey, and I will be having fish also. Okay, I'm just allowing it to defrost before I'll start cooking. While the tomatoes is cooking, let me go and take shower. Let me go and freshen up. Okay, let me go and freshen up. Then I'll continue my day, and later in the day I will be taking down Alessia braids. Okay, but she said she's gonna do it by herself. Okay, she says she's gonna do it by herself, but I will be helping her. Okay, so that it will be fast. Okay, that's it, guys. I'll see you when I'm done taking shower. Let me transform. Let me transform. Let me transform. Yeah, okay, guys, I am back. It has been like, let me say, about 2 hours later. Okay, I've done a lot behind the cameras. Okay, after I took my shower, I washed the meat, I boiled the meat. Now I'm frying. I've already fried the meat, and now I'm frying the fish. Okay, I've done a lot behind the camera. Okay, because I don't want this video to be too long. That's why I did not video the process of me cutting and boiling and the fish. Okay, the meat, I mean. I'm frying the fish right now. I've already fried the meat. As you can see, the meat is right there. Now I'm frying the meat. Let me show you guys. Okay, I'm frying the chicken, the meat, the fish, I mean. Frying the fish. This is the meat. I have turkey and goat meat over there. That's the meat. And this is the tomatoes. Tomato is well dried. Okay, now I don't have much to do right now, but I want to do laundry also. Alessia is upstairs. She's taking down her braids. Okay, she said she want to do it by herself. I just said, okay, let her do it by herself. Let her do her thing by herself. Let me do some laundry. Oh, that's not bad. no teme no mwese. Nuta no kenda moment. Oh, just Oba no teme no mwese. Nuta no kenda moment. Oh, just Papa, hey, oh my hey, Oba no tene no mwese. Ya nuta no keda mwe. Oh, Jesu me oh. No mwese da mwe. Oba no tene no mwese. Ya nuta no keda mwe. Oh, Jesu me oh. Anywhere my we oh, and no time, and your can oh. Anywhere my we oh, Papa, eh, my we. Anywhere my we oh, and no time, and your can oh. Anywhere my we oh, Papa. My we, Oba no teme no mwese. Nuta no keda moment. Oh, Jesu me oh. The mwese de that moment. Oba no teme no mwese. Nuta no keda moment. Oh, Jesu me oh.
What do you think?
Don't want to say that going. I'm singing.
Fried fish in the park.
I told you. You're always a dancer, right from baby. I posted Abigail's short video today, okay? I posted a video today. It was a short video of Abigail, like when she was about like 3 months of it. Yeah, about 3 to 4 months old. I think so. I can't remember. That was Abigail. She always liked dancing, like gilly gilly, gilly gilly, gilly gilly, gilly gilly, gilly. That was her favorite song. Gilly gilly, gilly gilly, gilly gilly, gilly gilly. She would be shaking her head. Oh God, Abigail. Okay guys, I'm finally done cooking, and this is the end result of this stew. Our stew is ready. Okay guys, I think we're gonna end the video right here. Thank you so much everyone for watching. I appreciate every one of you. If you are new to this channel, please don't forget to thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Put on your bell so that you will be notified anytime I upload a video. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my video. I appreciate every one of you. Thank you. God bless you. Look at this one here. Her hair is halfway. Show me your Rastafarian hair. She's taking down her braid, as you can see. She said she wants to do it by herself. I'll let her do it by herself, okay? Then I will help her to wash it later. Moisturize, condition, deep condition it, okay? Bye everyone. Bye.
We love you all.
We love you. Stay safe, stay blessed.
Wait till YouTube. We love you all. Peace from the Bye.